on a fascinating journey back in time, all the way to the enchanting Windermere, in the heart of the UK's Lake District. This is where we'll delve deep into a historic aviation marvel, the Waterbird seaplane. The Waterbird, a significant piece of aviation history, holds immense significance for the Lake District and Windermere. It was on November 25, 1911, that this incredible machine wrote its name in history books. On this day, it became the first seaplane to successfully take off and land on water in the UK. Talk about making a splash. This historic milestone was achieved by none other than its creator, Edward Wakefield. Wakefield was a visionary figure in British aviation who had dreamt of building a seaplane capable of flying over mountains and navigating lakes, an idea that seemed almost outlandish at the time. Wakefield's determination paid off handsomely. The Waterbird made its debut on November 25th after he tirelessly worked day and night over 6 weeks to build it by hand at his home on Lake Windermere. And boy, did it deliver on that fateful day. Wakefield successfully piloted the Waterbird over 30 miles over mountains, and then made history by landing it safely back on Windermere's waters. This remarkable achievement not only etched Wakefield's name into the history books, but also cemented Windermere as a crucial location in British aviation history. So there you have it, a little snippet from our nation's rich aviation past right here in our own backyard of Windermere. I hope you found this story as inspiring as I did. Thanks for joining me on this nostalgic journey. Before we part ways, don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this video. And do subscribe to my channel for more captivating content like this one. Until next time, keep soaring high and never let your dreams take flight.